it's your rocker right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
Yeah, I think it just sits too low. It's your leaf spring mount. It sits too low.
Ready to drop off. That thing sounds like
I told you it sounds like a fucking transformer or something.
it's kind of like an electric car. Pushing it without running.
Front diff.
Back up.
Go one way or the other.
Back up. Alright, come my way. Drive it. There you
Front diff. Front diff. You gotta go.
I fell in a hole here.
Yeah. You just missed it. Front diff again. You gotta scoot over just maybe like a foot to your side. Yeah. There you go. Now you're gonna climb it over here.
47.
That looks difficult for him.